Welcome back to Biswas Dancefloor. My name is Harahari Biswas and today I am going to teach you Duppata song signature step from JugJugg Jeeyo movie. If you have not subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of my latest dance tutorial. Let's start. Step number 1. Hands 1, 1, okay, 1, 2. When you count 2, you slightly, okay. Let's watch again. 1, 2. Got it? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Step number 2. Next. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Watch carefully. 1, 2, 3. 1 slowly and 2 fast. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Step number 3. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. Along with hands. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. And side. Just to wave your hand. Okay. Watch again. 1, 2. 1, 2. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hope you have enjoyed this Duppata song signature step from JugJugg Jeeyo movie. And please hit the like button and comment me in the below comment section. Thanks for watching.